Our third special use case are scripts, or what have long been called logon scripts. Now I say logon scripts with four fingers in the air because here with group policy, we didn't necessarily focus exclusively on the logon activity as the location where a script could be configured. Let's take another look back here under user configuration, right up here for scripts, where you can see that scripts can be configured to occur at logon or at logoff. Let's take a look at the example logon script, the one you're probably the most familiar with. If I come over here to the logon item, it's here where we could configure either a batch script or VB script. That's what can be done here under the first tab. Either of these can be configured to occur at logon, or alternatively, we could use a PowerShell script over here with the second tab. Now, in either of these locations, the scripts themselves have to first be uploaded to a specific location in the sysvol. And that location here, if we hit the Show Files button, will be the sysvol. In fact, if I just scroll all the way over here, will be the sysvol. So company.pri, sysvol, company.pri, /policies, /this GUID, which corresponds with the GPO that we're creating now, and then user/scripts/logon. So this little button here ensures that you end up uploading that script to the proper place, so that once you've uploaded the script, you can then reference it here by adding it by name. So here's the location where you would identify the script you wanted to add and any parameters that you would associate with that script. Now these again are intended to be batch scripts or VBScript scripts over here in the first tab. Over here in the second tab is where you can use PowerShell scripts instead. And the only difference between the PowerShell scripts and the batch or VB scripts is just simply that PowerShell scripts require at least Windows 7 or Windows Server 2008 R2 for them to function. Depending on the contents of your scripts, there may also need to be some PowerShell execution policies configured for those machines. And also for this GPO, this gives you the opportunity to run the PowerShell scripts first or the PowerShell scripts last. So depending on what your needs are and what level of customization you require, you can create a series of scripts or PowerShell scripts to execute at logon, to execute at logoff, so when the user actually logs off from their machine. Both of these are here inside of user configuration, or alternatively, up here under computer configuration is where you can configure two further scripts to occur when the machine boots up or when the machine powers down. Now you may be asking yourself, well, why did this separation occur between computer configuration and user configuration? Well, the point here is that for computer configuration, these scripts are occurring before the user logs in. And so they occur under a different security context than the scripts do under user configuration down here. So depending on what you need to accomplish for that machine and under which security context you need that to occur in, you may locate your script in one or the other of these locations.